Anytime you pick up a book, you're going to find a table of contents. You're going to find, of course, the actual chapters, introduction, a conclusion. But every book has an About the Author page where you get to learn the other books that author has written, where they live, any family, any weird, quirky little passions about the person. What we're going to do today is in our 7-day series learning about the Bible, we're going to get to basically take a sneak peek at the About the Author page. Who is this person? Why should he be listened to? And what interesting things are there to know about him? Oh, by the way, my name is Levi Lusko, and I'm really excited to get to be a part of this. I think it's so awesome. And I love YouVersion. Big fan of these videos, encouraged by them all the time. All right, John chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Hello, mind blown. Most amazing telling of the Christmas story ever, by the way. John just goes ahead and breaks the mold. Doesn't give us a genealogy, doesn't give us anything about shepherds or anything like that. In fact, he just goes ahead and flexes on all the other gospel writers by going way beyond creation to eternity past, where, hello, there was Jesus. Only he uses a concept familiar to the Greek-speaking world, who understood this mysterious force that gives us a thought turned into speech or an idea turned into its expression. And they called it the logos, the word. And so he kind of grabbed a hold of that and says, hey, you have this idea of what's behind everything, of what transcends, of what gives value, of what turns a thought into reality. His name is Jesus. Hello, he existed before creation. So where Genesis starts at the moment of creation and looks forward, John just goes ahead and starts at creation and looks backward and goes, eternity past, yeah, he was there. His name's Jesus. He is that mysterious thing you don't know about. He'd love to get to know you, by the way. And he not only was with God, so he's distinct from God, but he also is God. There's the idea of the Trinity. All three persons of the Godhead were involved in creation, want to be involved in your life. Oh, and by the way, this God who is eternal, who is in relationship within himself, he wrote a book, and it's called the Bible, and it's all about Jesus. And it's amazing and a privilege that we get access to it. Tune in tomorrow. We're going to be to Psalm 119, 105 as the series continues.